Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
A special thanks to everyone, all the dignitaries. We begin the journey with a simple but powerful theme. Team. Together, everyone achieves more. I think we achieved a lot. So there is nothing like I in success. Everything is we, Quincy Toastmasters. So we had 35 meetings. I'm going to talk about 35 accomplishments, what we did in this year. Quincy Toastmasters achieved President Distinguished for the 7th consecutive year. For the first time since the full adoption of Pathways, we got 10 out of 10 DCP points. We are proud to announce that Quincy Toastmasters is the first club in the entire district to get trained in summer and winter trainings. For the first time in 2 decades, I downloaded the Quincy Toastmaster data for 2 decades and I found that first time in 2 decades we crossed the membership for 40.
Wow.
And we have 42 members. In that 42 members, we have new members 17 and we have 3 members in pipeline. So we had a great successful open house where we had dozen of guests and we had half of them became members. So we had icebreaker speechathon in January. I think we had 8 new speakers gave that speechathon. They broke the ice. And also to conclude this season, we had seasoned members giving icebreaker. So 7 core members gave that speech last week. And we are thrilled to share that QTM member Susat has won the 2nd place in district online speech contest. Congrats. For the first time, Quincy Toastmasters achieved 100% enrollment in Pathways education program.
Yes.
So there is a saying, prepare the soil before we plant the seeds. With 100% Pathways enrollment, we proudly say that we have a strong foundation for QTM and for Nigel. In this 1 year, QTM members delivered more than 100 speeches from 35 individual members. It means that everyone contributed as a team.
Yes.
Despite with 40 plus members in the club, we have achieved 19 pathway levels in this year.
Woohoo.
In addition to the club, QTM members contributed to area contest, division contest, leadership training sessions, CLCon event, 100-year Toastmaster Expo, various other club events. We visited so many clubs and our members visited all the clubs which needed help. We won around more than 10 district awards so far and still some nominations are coming. Veera. Craig Levin, Q3 club member of the quarter, Belinda Bell, Q3 club officer of the quarter, Elizabeth, area director of the quarter.
Woo.
I'm just rushing through because Dennis said I should speak very quickly. Nigel, Raj, John, Andrew, these are the individual achievements. Club achievements, Q1 club of the quarter, level of challenger winner, pathway ambassador award, 5 for 50 award, pizza party winner, club success plan submissive initiative winners. Officer elections, we are one of the first club in the entire district to conduct the officers, and just want to say that we have initial nominations in double digits, which means 25% of the members interested in the leadership role. Since we have growing members, we have adjusted the fee structure so that the new members pay the fee in a prorated basis. This will reduce the fee up to 80% for the new members. We have created the flyers as a special summer initiative. For the last 1 month, we kept the flyers in various libraries. Yesterday I went there, the flyers were less. Today there are more because we are making sure that the flyers are there so that during the summer we have enough flyers. This year we created the Instagram page and linked it to Facebook. So one post will reflect in 2 areas. And we created a leadership WhatsApp group where we effectively communicate and take decisions. And for online speech contest, we are one of the first club. We conducted the online speech contest in early December, and we had 3 winners, and they were felicitated in winter party. After the 6 weeks gap, we conducted the international speech contest so that they have enough time to prepare. So that is in the end of January. And the total number of contestants in both the contest is in double digits, which means that 25% of the members contested in the speech contest, which means that we have a lot of people are eager to contest and contribute to the area district. This year, we had 8 officers meeting where 100 plus agendas was discussed, and we gave hospitality award to Dennis and Joe. Thank you so much for hosting us year after year. So we have special awards which will be distributed later, most improved, Toastmaster of the Year, and some long time awards. As a president, I have some special awards. One is Scott Strucy Award for Leadership and Inspiration. So that is a special award which we are giving this year. Myself and Nigel represented Quincy Toastmasters in QA TV. First time in my life I spoke in TV. And we got the newsletter, the first newsletter in January 2025, and the next newsletter is coming next week. VPPR public, Nigel, he always writes about every meeting in the Facebook page, so it means it reaches everyone. VP Education Priscilla, she did a great job in the mentorship program. She maps all the seasoned members with the new members so that seasoned members can guide them. So we have additionally trained 4 people in the Zoom. So we have 4 additional Zoom masters this year. So we have great backup. We just followed there were a lot of good initiatives from last year. QTM Weekly Award Certificates for Best Speaker, Evaluator and Table Topics, 100% certificate. These were introduced by Nigel and Elizabeth team. So we are taking all the good initiatives every year. I think when I was the VPPR, I introduced the newsletter, but still I think everyone is continuing. That's a great achievement. It means that we are taking care of all the good achievement whoever is introducing. So we have 14 dedicated Toastmasters members completed all the 100% roles. And also this year we introduced a weekly theme where we discuss about the special theme of that week. And thank you so much, Nigel, for creating all the QTM flyers, because of which we had a greater reach. Finally, this is one of the, I feel this is one of the greatest achievement this year. Out of 100 plus speeches delivered, we mapped more than 90 speeches in the pathways, and that has been recorded in the International Toastmasters. Even yesterday, day before yesterday, even the weekend, I had Zoom call with so many people. From today, you will be happy because I will not make any more calls. Particularly Dennis, thank you so much. Believe it or not, he completed 7 speeches this year as a seasoned Toastmaster who is not comfortable with pathways initially, but he completed 7 speeches this year. So before I conclude, we started this year with a quote: coming together is a beginning. This is from Henry Ford. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is a success. I would just add, gaining together is a knowledge. During every meeting, during every role, every moment we learned. For Nigel, we have 5 fingers, but it's the palm connects and makes sure whatever the work you need to do. You are like a palm. The president is like a palm. You are connecting all the 5 members. Be a palm to achieve more in pathway success. Very good luck to Nigel and team. Thank you so much.